Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri. Okay, and today, okay, we are going to talk about social science. Okay, so what is social science? क्या आपको पता है social science में क्या क्या आता है? Social science में आती है information, जिसमें आती है information about you. Information about things in general, information about science हो गया, transport हो गया, we're going to talk about history, we are going to talk about geography. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Okay, so in this book we are going to talk about, say, the world, we are going to talk about the time, the travel, we are going to talk about yourself. Okay, so are you ready to take this journey with me, जहाँ पे हमें in depth knowledge मिलने वाला है about all these different concepts, and I'm sure when you come across these things in reality you are going to relate it in a much better manner, and it's going to be easy for you to understand कि हमारे आस पास ये सारी चीजें होती कैसे है और क्यों होती है. राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके आसपास घर है, सो व्हाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस. सो ये सारी जनरल टॉपिक्स है जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस जर्नी. लेट्स बिगिन.
Chapter 16, Our Beautiful Earth. So बच्चों, अब हम बात करेंगे about the planet on which we stay. Yes, we live on the most beautiful planet, which is our beautiful Earth. So क्या आपको पता है कि Earth is the only planet जहाँ पे life is possible, because Earth के जो conditions हैं, okay, they are the most favorable for living organisms, okay, and that is the reason why we can survive on Earth, okay. No other planet has life on it. Alright, so let's talk about our beautiful Earth. So we are going to find out about Earth, okay, our Earth and the landforms. So our Earth is the only planet that has life and water. 3 out of 4 parts of the earth are covered with water. Only 1 part is land. Water helps support human beings, plants and animals. Our earth is round in shape and is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. It is the air present in the atmosphere that humans, plants and animals breathe in. So हमारे survival के लिए what do we need? Primarily we need air and water. Okay, so that is present on earth. 3/4 of the earth, it is water, okay. 1 part is the land on which we live, okay. So water जो है, it supports the human beings, it supports the plants and it also supports the animals, okay. Animals, plants, human beings cannot survive without water. उनको survival के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत है, okay. अब ये पानी जो है, we cannot drink the water जो seas या oceans में available है, क्योंकि वो होता है salty. तो हम जो पानी यूज़ करते हैं वो कहाँ से आता है? That comes from the rain primarily, okay. It comes from the glaciers जो हिमालयाज़ के होते हैं, snow clad areas के होते हैं. जब snow melt हो जाता है, ice glaciers melt हो जाते हैं, तो वो पानी जो है वो rivers में mix हो जाता है and फिर वो पानी हम लोग को मिल जाता है once it is purified and filtered and everything processed, okay. That is the water which comes to our tap. So without water and without air, okay. Now let's talk about air. एक तो अर्थ का जो शेप है, इट इज़ राउंड इन शेप, ओके. जनरली आप देखो कि अर्थ इज कवर्ड विथ अ ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर. नाउ दिस ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर इज नोन एज एटमॉस्फियर. नाउ दिस एयर which is present in the atmosphere, okay, that is the air that we breathe, okay, or any living organisms breathe. So good to know. The earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and it is in our solar system, okay. So it's the 3rd planet from the sun in the solar system. This makes it this means it is neither too hot or not too cold, okay, because इसका distance from the sun is right distance, okay. इसकी वजह से ये ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं है. So this along with water and air makes it possible to have life on earth. Okay, इसके साथ साथ because on the earth there is the presence of water and air, इसकी वजह से survival is possible. Now what are the different landforms? The surface of the earth is uneven because of the land being high in some places and low in some places. अब हमारा जो आप देखोगे सरफेस जो है अर्थ का वो अनइवन है, क्योंकि कहाँ पे कहीं एरियाज़ में है माउंटेन्स, तो कहीं पे है प्लेन्स, कहीं पे है प्लेटूज, ओके, सो कहीं पे है डेजर्ट. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई, ओके, इट इज़ अनइवन द अर्थ सरफेस. सो इसकी वजह से वी हैव डिफरेंट लैंड फॉर्म्स. ये लैंड फॉर्म्स होते हैं हिल्स, mountains, valleys, plains, deserts, forests. Okay, so these are the different landforms of earth. So let's first talk about the hills and mountains. Highlands are also known as hills. Okay, so hills जो होते हैं वो थोड़े से ऊंचे होते हैं from the sea level. They are usually rocky. However, mountains जो होते हैं वो हिल्स से काफ़ी बड़े होते हैं और ऊंचे होते हैं. ओके, सो दीज माउंटेन्स, इफ यू सी द हाई माउंटेन्स विच आर देयर, दे आर कवर्ड विथ स्नो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द हिमालयस. ओके, नाउ द व्हेन द स्नो, अब ये स्नो जो एक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है माउंटेन्स के ऊपर, वो जब मेल्ट हो जाता है, व्हाट डू वी गेट? ओके, वी गेट द वाटर विच हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिवर्स. ओके, सो ये जो पानी आता है स्नो से या आइस ग्लेशियर्स जब मेल्ट हो जाते हैं, वो हेल्प करता है टू फॉर्म द रिवर्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर वैलीज? जो हिल्स एंड माउंटेन्स के बीच में जो लो लैंड आता है, ओके, द वैलीज आर द लो लैंड्स दैट फॉल इन बिटवीन द हिल्स एंड द माउंटेन्स. सो वैलीज जो है उनका लैंड जो होता है, इट इज़ अ वेरी फर्टाइल लैंड. Okay, valleys have a very fertile land. Okay, plants grow very well in it. Plains. What are plains? They are flat areas of land. Most people live in plains. They are good for growing crops and fruits. Many rivers flow through plains. So plains जो होते हैं, they're the most perfect area of land for any agricultural activity, for people to live on also. Okay, so most of the population जो रहता है वो plains में रहता है. Okay, so they are able to find out, they get good crops. Okay, there are fruits and many rivers also flow through these plains, so water is also abundant. Next is the plateau. So plateau is higher than a plain but flat on top like a table. Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So plateau जो है वो plain से ऊंचाई पे होते हैं. Okay, but ऊपर वाला जो हिस्सा होता है it is flat. Okay, it's just like a table. Tibetan plateau जो है वो दुनिया का सबसे highest plateau है. Deserts. Now, deserts are areas with very little rainfall. जहाँ पे बहुत कम बारिश होती है वो areas होते हैं desert. They are very sandy, okay, and रेत होती है उसमें. It is also rocky at places. So you'll see that there are very few plants and animals which are found in a desert. A camel is called the ship of the desert. So desert में बहुत कम plants मिलेंगे, animals मिलेंगे, because वहाँ पे पानी बहुत कम होता है, okay, या retain नहीं होता है पानी. So और अगर डेजर्ट पे आपको मूव भी करना है, so the animal which is used, it is called the camel, which can stay in the desert areas and it can live without food and water for months together. Okay, at the same time जो camel के जो पैर होते हैं उसका जो सोल होता है, it is made in such a way that it does not sink inside the sand. Okay, and it can move around easily. And that is the reason why it is known as the ship of the desert. Forest. Forests are large areas covered completely with trees. Many types of animals, birds and insects live in forests. Trees clean the air and give us many useful things. So forest जो है ये they are large areas, okay, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पेड़ होते हैं, okay, and बहुत सारे animals, birds, insects यहाँ पे रहते हैं in that forest, in the forest areas, okay. जो trees है उनसे हमें मिलती है साफ हवा, okay, and also many things which are very useful, medicinal use हो या furniture के लिए use को, we get a lot of things from the trees, okay. All the landforms on the earth are a part of natural resources. Thus, we must protect our earth from pollution and look after it. So, ये सारे जो landforms है, okay, ये अर्थ के नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस है, ओके, दे आर लाइक अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड टू अस, ओके, एंड दैट इज द रीजन वाई हमें उन्हें प्रोटेक्ट करना है. वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर मदर अर्थ, ओके, एंड वी शुड नॉट पोल्यूट इट एंड वी शुड टेक गुड केयर ऑफ इट. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ लेट्स चेक योरसेल्फ. मैच द फॉलोइंग. व्हाट आर माउंटेन्स? माउंटेन्स आर स्नो कवर्ड एंड दे आर वेरी high, okay. Likewise, you have to do the rest of them. So what have we learnt in this chapter? So now I know the earth is the only planet that supports life. So earth एक ऐसा planet है जहाँ पे life can exist, okay. Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air which is known as atmosphere, okay. So जो हवा हमारे आस पास होते हैं उसको कहते हैं atmosphere, okay. So there are many landforms such as mountains, plateaus, valleys and plains, okay. So earth पे अलग अलग type के landforms है, जैसे mountains हो गए, plateaus हो गए, valleys हो गए, plains हो गए, desert हो गया, islands हो गए. So these are different landforms, okay. So different sources of water are oceans, sea, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. okay. Although हम लोग ocean या sea का पानी नहीं पी सकते. So now quickly revise the chapter, okay. You need to do the exercises in the practice zone. So A, oral questions. What is an island and what is a hill? So आपको बताना है island क्या है. Island is the piece of land, okay, that is surrounded by water on all the sides. तो अगर आपको island पे जाना है तो you have to either go by a ship or a helicopter or a plane, okay. What is a hill? Hill क्या होता है? Okay, this is what you have to tell. So hill are rocky areas or areas which are higher than above the sea levels, okay, but they are not as tall as the mountains are. Then tick the correct option. So our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the oxygen, carbon dioxide or atmosphere. It is known as atmosphere, okay. Likewise do the rest of them. See, fill in the blanks. Our earth is dash in shape. Our earth is round in shape. Earth का shape जो है वो orange का shape होता है. Fruit होता है ना orange, वैसे. So ऊपर और नीचे flat है और बीच में ऐसे spherical shape है उसका. Alright. So likewise do the rest of them. D, write T for true and F for false statement. 3 out of 4 parts of the earth are covered with water. True or false? It is true. Alright, likewise do the rest of them. Answer the following questions. E, define our earth. Earth का definition देना है आपको. Okay, and likewise you have to do the answers of the rest of the questions. Critical thinking. How do the people in desert regions of India live? What food do they eat? What clothes do they wear? And how do they get water for daily use? So आपको बताना है कि desert region के लोग कैसे रहते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं और उनको अपने daily use के लिए पानी कहाँ से मिलता है. Okay, that is what you have to write. Experiential learning, find pictures of the various landforms you have read about, stick the pictures in a scrapbook and write their features on the other side, okay. So आपको अलग अलग landforms के pictures लगाने हैं और उसके बारे में आपको features बताने हैं उनके, okay. Life skills and value. Plan a vacation with your parents to a hilly or a desert region. Observe the lifestyle of the people carefully and see what they eat and wear. Write a report on this in the given space. Okay. So आपको एक vacation plan करना है. Okay, to a hilly or desert region. Okay, आपको उधर के लोगों की lifestyle जाननी है. Okay, उसको study करना है. वो लोग क्या खाते हैं, क्या कपड़े पहनते हैं, वो सब लिखना है आपको. उस पर एक report बनाना है और उस पे space में आपको लगाना है. Alright, so children, quickly revise the chapter and finish all the exercises and the activities.
So children, I'm sure कि आपने अब तक जितने भी concepts मेरे साथ पढ़े हैं, those concepts are pretty clear now, and you're going to start relating to them in reality also. So ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि how much you followed through whatever we have learned. So बच्चों, for that, what else do you need to do? Yes, absolutely true. You need to reread the chapter, revise whatever we have done properly. Okay, do not forget कि आपको सारे exercises complete करने हैं. If there is any project involved, any activity involved, वो भी करनी है. And you also have to share the knowledge about what you've learned with your friends, with your family, and everyone around you. Alright, so until we meet again, thank you children. Bye bye.